Hi, superstars! Thank you for joining me. In today's course, we'll be talking about how you can retain your palm oil buyers and customers. As a business owner selling palm oil or whatever product it is you are selling, finding the right type of people to buy your product online and offline can be really challenging. But you know what's more challenging? Your ability to retain these customers. Most customers will realize that after buying from you the first time, they suddenly disappear, and all efforts to bring them back to buy from you proves abortive. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can retain these customers and make them keep coming back to buy from you over and over again, and even give you referrals, lots and lots of referrals. Okay? I'm your girl Ida sitting here, and I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. So the first tip that will make your customers keep coming back over and over again is a warm reception. Whatever problems it is you had before your customer showed up, please shove it aside. When you are meeting a customer for the first time, and always please be happy and accommodating. That's why I love my Igbo brothers and sisters. Have you ever walked into an Igbo guy or lady shop? Once they see you, they'll be like, Nne, you are welcome, you are welcome. Come and sit down. What do you want? The reception is so warm and cordial, as if they've known you somewhere before. So, this keeps people coming back over and over again. Someone was like, she would rather pay or buy from someone who receives her warmly and happily than buy from someone who is grumpy. She was like, there's this customer that she buys from. The guy's things is always a little bit expensive compared to other people, but she would gladly go back to buy because of the warm reception the guy gives to her and customers whenever they show up. So if you must retain customers, please change your attitude. Be warm and receptive to every customer that buys from you. The next tip that will enable you retain your palm oil buyers and customers is to be honest and not inflate your price. Transparency is very important in every business. If your prices are always higher compared to other vendors, you will lose your customers. Do not inflate the price of your products. Let your price be fair. Let your price be fair. Or else, when your buyers or your customers realize that you are inflating the price excessively, they will not come back. They will rather buy from another person whose price is fair. And in your dealings with your customers, please be very honest. Be transparent. Transparency is what keeps people coming back over and over again. Another tip that will enable you retain your palm oil customers is let it be that what they order is actually what they get. In palm oil, we have different grades of palm oil and palm oil for different purposes. We have grade 1 for storage, grade 2 for buying and reselling, and all that. If your customer paid for grade 1 palm oil, please, for no reason should you give your customer grade 2 palm oil. If she paid for grade 2 palm oil, for no reason should you give that customer grade 3 palm oil. If it's not available, then communicate with your buyers. Be honest and tell them the truth. Tell them, okay, grade 1 is not available. Do you want grade 2? Let the customer be open to options and know that whatever it is she is paying for is actually what she's getting. And if you actually have to change from grade 1 to grade 2, please make returns. Grade 1 palm oil is not the same price like grade 2 palm oil. We all know these things. So if you're sending grade 2, make sure you make returns of whatever balance you have left. In every business, let it be that what your customer pays for is what she actually gets. That is what will keep that customer coming back over and over and even giving you referrals. Hey, my vendor is good. Hey, my vendor is honest. Hey, come and see my palm oil vendor. She gives the best palm oil. A good name, they say, is worth more than gold. The next tip that will enable you retain your palm oil buyers and customers is to never refer your customers to another vendor. Even if you don't have the product available, tell your customers to wait. Never ever refer your customers to another person. Once they get to that person and they find something unique about that person which you do not have, you have just lost a customer. That's why my Igbo brothers and sisters will never allow you walk into another shop to buy from another shop. They'll ask you, hey, Nne, sit down. What is it you want? You tell them, they'll say, oh, my own has just finished now, but wait, I'll go and get it from my brother, or I'll go and get it from my sister and bring it for you now. They will leave you in the shop and go and scout for it and bring it for you so you can buy them. Because they know that if you wander out of that place and you happen to stumble on another vendor who sells the same thing like you do, but maybe they fall in love with the person's personality, they have just lost the customer. So do whatever it is you can to ensure you retain your customers, even if it means telling them, buying from other people for them to pick up from your place. Please do it. Retain that customer by all means. The next tip that will keep your customers coming back over and over again is to say thank you when you get payment. Most people, they feel it's their entitlement, or they are actually doing people a favor by selling to them. You'll make a transfer to someone's account and you will hear seen. The person will not say thank you. It is wrong, my superstars. Once you get payment from a customer for your palm oil, which you'll be making supplies to, say thank you to that customer. There was a force recently on Facebook. People were like showing their disapproval over sellers, telling them sin when they make transfers for goods. People are not happy when they are treated shabbily with their money. People love to be celebrated. So if you must keep that customer coming back over and over again, please say thank you for your patronage. I appreciate it. Thank you goes a long way. Thank you will bring that customer over and over again. Thank you will give you referrals. Okay, my superstar. Okay, so another very important tip that is to get your customer's WhatsApp number. It's not enough to get their call numbers and all that. Having their WhatsApp contact is what will make them see your updates on their WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the first thing most people check out once they wake up from their bed. They carry their phone, they slide through, check out their WhatsApp updates and all that. So your updates on your products and all that is what will keep you in their mind. They say out of sight is out of mind. So your being in their sight on WhatsApp is what will keep them knowing that, hey, this my customer is still in business and still sells palm oil, and whenever they have need for it, they'll keep coming back over and over again. All right, my superstars, if there's anything you did not understand in the course of this video, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, like, and share this video. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.